Today I'm finna change the handle on the 87 Cutlass Supreme. You dig? I'm finna finally go on and get it done. I got a new one right here. There it go right there. So let's put that down, man. There's a couple of screws right there I'm gonna have to pop out. I know it's probably gonna be hella dirty behind this little panel. This little handle piece. So that's the 2 screws. You just slide it this way and pop out. Damn! That's a lot better. Now we got 2 screws. 1 and 2 right here. We're gonna need to remove. Then we can move on down here and pop these little plastic clips. Now that we got these 2 screws out, we're gonna have to remove these little covers. There's 2 there, 2 there. We're gonna have to remove those 2. Plastic clips. We're gonna need some kind of little cheap tool to get it loose. This right here, I got this from Harbor Freight. So, that's what I'm finna use. Well, that piece came off. Right, damn, son. We might not even have to take this top piece off. I'm gonna take it off anyways, though. So I'm gonna see all about it here. Set that. Here we go. Pull this up out the way. To drill this one out and drill this one out. Now all we do is just unhook it. Take this little clamp where it's hooked on, connecting, and do that. Get it back on there. This one might have a little bend in it. From the factory, so I have to bend it, get it in there. Okay, so now I could reinstall this little rubber piece that came off the other one. I'm gonna replace where these rivets was with little nuts and bolts and a washer. So let's do that. I'm gonna have to dig back behind here inside the door. That's it. All we have to do now, put everything back together. So yeah, let me get this all back together, man. You know what I'm saying? So I can call this thing done.